My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, how much has Allah given us as well in the livestock and animals? Allah said in the Quran, look at the cattle. How He gives you pure milk from between intestines and blood and feces inside the stomach. He gives you pure milk that is tasteful and healthy for you. Another ni'mah from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yet, we deny all of this and what He has given us. We forget that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, on top of that, has given us this beautiful deen, this way of life. Allah says in the Quran, الْيَوْمَ أَكْمَلْتُ لَكُمْ دِينَكُمْ. Today I have completed your religion, your way of life. وَأَتْمَمْتُ عَلَيْكُمْ نِعْمَتِي. And have completed my blessing upon you. What is this blessing? The deen, this way of life. This is a ni'mah. I have completed my ni'mah upon you. Meaning, this deen is the greatest ni'mah and the complete ni'mah that anyone can ever wish for and hope for, if you really follow it. وَرَضِيتُ لَكُمُ الْإِسْلَامَ دِينًا. And I am pleased with this religion of Islam submission for you as your way of life. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, what is this deen? Why is it such a blessing? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us that this deen brings us life. It brings us guidance away from what can harm us and takes us away from those who do harm us and makes us become conscious and aware of the right from the wrong, which path to take and which paths not to take. There's no need to research too much anymore. Listen to what Allah says in the Quran. وَاللَّهُ يُرِيدُ أَن يَتُوبَ عَلَيْكُمْ وَيُرِيدُ الَّذِينَ يَتَّبِعُونَ الشهوات أن تميلوا ميلا عظيما يريد الله أن يخفف عنكم وخلق الإنسان ضعيفا. Allah wants to forgive you. But those who are astray, they always want to mislead you. الذين يتبعون الشهوات, those who follow their desires and their temptations and their own lusts, they want to lead you astray from it. And to go far away from this beautiful way of life which is good for you and them. يُرِيدُ اللَّهُ أَن يُخَفِّفَ عَنْكُمْ. Allah, through this deen, He wants to lessen burdens and harm off you. Even doctors today, and I come from a biomedical background, doctors say to you today, go to any doctor, to any medical practitioner, to any researcher, to any professor of science, and he will tell you, or she will tell you, that the best medicine is what? Is prevention. The best medicine is prevention. Prevention is better than cure. Allah is the one who before them brought us the guidance of how to prevent ourselves from something. Why did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala prevent a drop of alcohol from drinking it, even though it won't get you drunk? Because He knows the effects of it, that later on it can be addictive. And it can cause you to drink lots of alcohol, which makes you drunk and corruption on earth. Why did He prevent us from kissing a girl which we are not allowed to, or looking at her? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows that this can lead on to other problems. Why and why and why? So this ni'mah of Islam is the best thing that could ever happen to anyone's life. Even in a spouse relationship. Know, my dear brothers and sisters, that if there is any conflict between a husband and wife, it's only because one or both of them has done something haram. Abadan. Because everything that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has advised us will only bring the husband and wife together.